I would watch the Lakers game, even though I don't know basketball from the game we're playing. Yeah, I'm not overcomplicated. You don't have to spin a web with the words you're saying. And if you started feeling down, swear that I would take you higher. But you can be the runaround. Maybe I'm just getting tired. I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits. Sliding up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits. Sliding up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you. I told myself I wouldn't be here, back in the car on the way to your apartment.
Hello everyone, and welcome back for another video. If you are new here, my name is Courtney and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. I upload on Saturdays, she uploads on Thursdays. So today's motivation for everyone is things that you, me, or anyone could be missing that we never really get around to, or we just completely forget about. So the first thing that I'm starting off here is with the bed liner. Not everybody remembers to clean their bed liners, and I am not ashamed to say that I do not clean it every single time I wash my sheets. So today was a good day to do that. And also cleaning our mattresses. So I'm going in with this carpet cleaner, but you can use it on your mattresses. It has baking soda in it. If you don't feel comfortable using this type of baking soda like combo that's used for your carpets, feel free to go in with just baking soda itself. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can go in and vacuum it. Honestly, I usually tend to leave it longer than that because I have to let it like sit and work in, and I usually end up leaving it for like a half an hour, 45 minutes sometimes. It has never done anything to my carpets or my mattress ever. The reason why I'm going in with this is because it helps bring up the dirt, the sweat, and stuff like that. I have like an all foam type of mattress, so I don't go in with a shampooer. I know people that have the older mattresses like to do that, and I myself, when I used to have one, used to do that as well. It just takes a long time to dry. So if you want to skip doing all of that, try this out. Plus, it comes out smelling so good if you get the scented kind. I know some people like to use the baking soda with essential oils mixed into it, and I'm pretty sure that works just as well. I've never used it before. I've always just used this carpet cleaner. But anyways, I will pop in and out explaining some things here and there. I will have text along the screen to tell you what I'm doing as well, but I will pop in and out. Let's jam out to some music, to some things that we might be forgetting to clean. Okay, now that we did the top of the mirror and the lights as well, I know I can't be the only one forgetting to do that as well. If you remember to do that all the time, props to you, because I don't remember ever to do that. But anyways, here we are cleaning out the vent system for like running your hot water, because we don't have anywhere for the humidity to escape, so it goes up into this fan. Now I wanted to just elaborate a little more on this, that when I said in the text message to, you know, clean your filters and like your vents and stuff, this also goes for like your AC or heating, stuff like that, that you might have forgotten that you need to either clean the filters, because you might have ones where you can just take them out and clean them, or just the grates on the outside, or replace your filters as well. This is a perfect time to get that done, get it over with, so that way you can hopefully remember later on down the line that you just switched it, so you got a little more time before you have to do it again and clean it again. So just wanted to explain that really quickly, that it's not just going for, you know, your, I don't know what you call this fan for your bathrooms. It goes for your heating units and your AC units wherever you live. I know I need it for my bathrooms and my heating right now, because it's freezing here where I live. Let me know if it's cold where you guys are living, or if it's warm where you guys are living. Just curious. But anyways, let's get back into this.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Alright, I know I am not going in with the correct tool. I really need to get one of those actual lint like catcher thingies that you put in here. Put the screen here. This one, it has a vacuum attachment with it, or you can just buy the brushes itself and kind of do what I'm doing. I know I need to get one of those, but you know, something's better than nothing. They're not expensive, so I don't know why I haven't invested in one yet, but I will one of these days. So hopefully the next time you see me clean that bad boy out, I will have one. Here is the washing machine. I'm removing all of the dirt and mildew and grime off of the inside of the bin, not bin, what do you call that thing? Yeah, I would say it's a bin, washing bin. Yeah, bucket, I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it. Cleaning that, and I'm also getting the rim right underneath there as well, because I noticed that there was some buildup in there. Now the top part I actually just recently did in a video, so it did not need to be done. I did give it a quick wipe down, but I did clean out all the dispensers, and I took the blue little outline tracers off as well, because those were disgusting. Inside of those really need to be cleaned, and you know, I could have saved it for this video, but I didn't, because I noticed it and I cleaned it, and I hoped it helped somebody out. So just want to explain that quickly. That's why you don't really see me go crazy here on the top part. So anyways, wanted to explain that. Now that we got the dryer done and the washer done, we're gonna move right into cleaning around the toilet. So we're gonna hit the wall, the baseboard, the side of the cabinet, stuff like that. I know these things some people already do, but some people don't think about those things. Sometimes it's just, you know, get the toilet clean and get out and get, you know, on with the rest of their day. but you really want to go in and disinfect your toilet paper holder as well. Just, you know, probably TMI here, but think about when you're flushing your toilet after you're done using it, and especially when you go number 2, those particles are going everywhere. And, you know, I know TMI, but you kind of want to get in there and disinfect that, as well as your trash bin, because think about the things you put inside there. It gets disgusting and smelly and everything. And also, these 2 things are very helpful with keeping your bathroom smelling clean as well. So make sure you're disinfecting it and not just using an all-purpose cleaner on those areas. You really want to clean it all off. So here we are going in and disinfecting the toilet bowl cleaner. You can do this with this type of holder or toilet bowl cleaner, or you can go in with the ones with the bristles, like the bristle brush and holder as well. So I threw some bleach in there, and I'm letting that sit for about a half an hour. I honestly don't know the correct, like, how long you're supposed to keep it in there for, but I don't think half an hour is too bad if you ask me. It didn't damage anything. It came out nice and clean and disinfected. Don't worry, I did clean out the trash bin again after doing this because of that being in there and the job that it's made for. So just didn't want to freak anybody out with, you know, the trash can being used and me not disinfecting it again. But once we are all done cleaning out these areas, we're going to move into the kitchen. There honestly is a lot more things that I could have shown that, you know, I don't mean you, I mean we, because obviously I'm forgetting these things too because they're dirty in my house as well, but I didn't do them. So let me know if you guys would like to see another video like this of things that we might be forgetting to clean. Now here are inserts that go inside your dishwasher. This is for anybody that owns a dishwasher. If you don't, it's fine. I'm hoping it just, maybe you can lend this knowledge to somebody else that has a dishwasher. You want to clean these little, you know, filter catcher thingies more often than you think. I honestly clean it more than once a month. If I look down, because I'm always looking in there, I look down and I see that it needs to be cleaned, I will clean it. These aren't bad, but you want to keep on top of them because this is what's going to keep your dishes clean and not being swirled around and all of that bacteria and stuff like that. And, you know, bacteria is the most worst thing, strep throat, things like that, you know. So you want to stay on top of cleaning that so that way it can clean your dishes, well, sanitize your dishes properly. So now that that's done and out of the way, we are actually going to move into cleaning the surround of the dishwasher. So the inside surround, as well as where it opens and closes down there. See all that buildup? This is something that I totally need to keep on top of. I just forget about it all the time, and over here on the edges as well. So we want to get in there, get all of that inside especially clean, because like I said, we need to keep these dishes clean and not full of bacteria and getting sick and all the things that come along with that. So if you haven't done this yet, this is your time. Put it on your list or do it right now with me, whatever works for you. And I went in with paper towel because of what I was dealing with. I didn't want to use a rag and then throw that rag into my washing machine. So yeah, personal choice there. I went in with paper towel instead of using my cleaning rags. I also want to throw out there, I forgot to say when I was cleaning out the washing machine that I do have the powder packets that you throw into your washing machine to clean the washing machine itself. But I did not do that this day because I had so much laundry that I was doing between my bed sheets and stuff, my toddler's bed sheets and everything else. I did not get to it, but I wanted to say if you don't feel comfortable using those cleaning, or if it's too expensive to use the cleaning packets that are actually for your washing machine, you can go in with about 2 cups of vinegar and some baking soda and let it run a regular hot cycle so that way it can disinfect as well. So just throwing that out there. I forgot to say it earlier. So anyways, yeah, let's get back into this, guys.
Caught staring at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars and diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always gotten everything they wanted. Turns out they're lonely just the same. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the...
Okay, so I am going in with the Cascade dishwasher cleaner. This is not to wash your dishes. This is to go inside your dishwasher to clean all the things you can't see and I can't see. So that's a good thing. Once I am all done putting that bad boy in there, we're going in underneath this, not the dishwasher because we just did that. We're going underneath the microwave. Now, this helps with buildup of grease and grime and stuff like that, and also tremendously with smell. So if you cook with a lot of grease or smelly foods, this will help out with the smell, as well as cleaning out the filter, scrubbing that bad boy down. I'm just going in with some Dawn dish soap and a scrubber, but if yours is worse than mine, you can either buy new ones or you can try going in with some baking soda and vinegar and letting that sit. Sometimes just letting it sit in the Dawn dish soap and hot water helps as well, but you can buy a new one if that doesn't help at all. After we are all done drying this down and placing it back in, we're going to go in on top of the microwave, and or if you have a, what is that thing called? The range, not the range, is that called? The hood? Well, anyways, you're going to do that part if you don't have a microwave attached to it. You're going to clean all up and around that because that's going to help as well with getting all that grease out and getting the smell as well. Once I am all done pouring a cup of vinegar in here and letting it completely run through 3 times, filling that bucket with the hot water, then I am all done showing you guys what I had for today's video. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this. Make sure you subscribe if you like cleaning content. Wow, I had a brain fart there for a second. If you like cleaning content or this entertained you or helped you, make sure you like the video, share it around and all of that. But thank you guys so much for watching all the way through. It means a lot to me and it helps our channel grow. Until next time, guys, bye.